Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS Dealer and Educator, and today I have a border design to show you that's called Lotus Lollipop. I've got a border chalked out here, and we're going to go around the corner. So I'm going to kind of go up one leg and then across the top. So we start first with a little hump, and then I'm going to put a petal, and 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 then I'm going to echo back. And when I get into the V between the petals, when I reach that point, I'm going to come out with a little lollipop tree. It's just a circle on a stick, a little circle on a stick, and then echo, and a little circle on a stick, and then echo, and a little circle on a stick, and echo, and now I've reached my corner. And I can do a number of things on this corner. One thing I would recommend is that you chalk out a miter line so that you know where that miter line is. I actually didn't do that, so we're going to kind of go on the fly here. But what I'm going to do is just a combination of my lollipop tree. So I would go up the miter and make little lollipop trees up the miter. And then I'm just going to put a petal here on the end. I'm going to go ahead and give it a stem too. And then I'm going to head back down my miter. And now I'm ready to head over and do another circle. And here we go with one petal, two petal, three petal, and another, and last one, last petal. And now I'm ready to echo. Echo, when I get to the middle, I'm going to put a little lollipop tree. And echo, and when I get to the middle, a lollipop tree. And echo, and get to the middle, lollipop tree. And echo, and lollipop tree, and echo, and hit the seam and travel. Leave enough room for the next center of my circle, center of my flower. So I'm doing a little, half flower within the border, and I'm leaving myself enough room for those echoes. So echo, lollipop tree, echo, lollipop tree, and have something in your head so you don't get lost. Some kind of something repeating. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, contact your local dealer, visit your local APQS store, or visit us online at apqs.com. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us on Facebook. We'd love to see what you're working on.